up? Welcome back to another Ruckus video. Today I'm going to be trying my best to dial in the Ruckus. Now what you guys don't know, I went on like a little run with the bike like days ago when I first did the exhaust. I went on like a little speed test run to see like if it'd go past 40, but my top speed was actually less than the speed that I did when I initially did the speed test. So the first speed test I did was 37 miles per hour. I only went 34 miles per hour. Now when I told Ryan the news, and if you guys have no idea who Ryan is basically like one half of the Ruck shop. He's like the in-house guy, and like he is like the Ruck god. Like I call him the Ruck god because he knows everything and literally anything about Ruckuses, right? Like everything. So I was chopping it up with him on the phone about what the problems could be, and he inspected that it could be something with my variator. And then after I dropped the variator install video, it's definitely my variator, well, something to do with my variator, because I did install the guides wrong. You're not supposed to like press down on the guides. It should just be easily like, once you slip it on, it's boom. I installed the guides upside down. So in case this is not making any sense to you, I'm gonna take it off and show you guys what I did wrong and stuff like that. Now I do have a new drive face and belt coming tomorrow. Today is Friday as I'm filming, and it comes Saturday. So I'm just gonna do this stuff right now. I'm gonna fix the variator, see if that changed anything, and if not, it could just be my potential drive face, because I will show you guys what a drive face even is, and if it's damaged or not. Nothing ever goes my way, so I can't get the I can't get the drive face off. It's not supposed to be like this. Like I can't get it off no matter what I do. I sprayed some of this Freol and ain't nothing free. Have no idea, so your boy had to send a video to Ryan to get some expertise, because I have no idea what I'm doing. As always.
3:28 a.m.
So, finally got off the drive face. Here is the drive face, and right here is some grooves. I have a new one of these coming because the back of this thing is, I wouldn't say in the best condition, but like there's a lot of grooves, and we think the belt is getting stuck on like the low end groove where that makes me stay at 35 miles per hour and not go above. So I have one of these coming in the mail, and I also got a new belt because this belt is about to be shredded very soon. And you shouldn't have to use a flathead to get your backing plate off. That's when you know you installed the stuff wrong. I already fixed it. I don't know how to tell you guys how to actually do it. That's bad. But I'll link a video down to the Ruck shop to tell you the right way how to do it without me sounding confusing. But you'll know if you have it done correctly when it does this. Like that. It's supposed to be easy to just go like, just slide on. You shouldn't have to squeeze it on. It should just slide right down just like that. That's when you know you have it done correctly. The reason why that's very important is because if you don't do it correctly, then you will not see any type of power gain. So basically, in car related terms, that's like installing your clutch on backwards.
Nah, that ain't it, y'all.
Well, it's a beautiful thing I have another drive face coming, because this one, since it was so hard to come off, the back end, or where the spline is on this, is just ruined. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but like around here is like, you can probably see it like right there. It's ruined, and I am not gonna put it back on this because this is actually still good. Alright, so it's the next day. My package from the Ruck shop did arrive, so it's time to... That was a fail. See man, why can't life just work in my way sometimes? Huh? What? Now it's time to fix the Ruckus. I still need to name the Ruckus. Drop some names down below. I would do Uncle Ruckus, but like, I don't know, that's already like a name. Huge thank you to the Ruck shop for supplying the parts I need to get my Ruckus back on the road. Whee! Got some OEM goodies. Got an OEM drive belt. Right here we have the brand new drive face. That's also OEM, if I can get it open to show you guys. Boom! More OEM goodies. And right here we have the block off plate for the PCV. Look at the difference in quality. Jesus. Oh my lord. Look at the mintness. So mint. And friendly reminder, it does not take a lot of power to torque down the bolt, okay? Don't overdo it like what I did, because then you have issues like this, and you don't want to order another one of these because you gotta wait. So make sure you don't over tighten it. All right, so this is the OEM belt that's been on since 2011, and that's not good. You can tell the difference in belts, obviously. One's new, one's old. So yee, I feel like I'm riding a horse. Well, I hit another wobble. I have to file down the grooves on the crank because when y'all over tightened it, this dry face kind of ruined the grooves on the crank itself. So we're gonna go get the files, file this thing down, and hopefully get this dry face on. Just getting back home from Harbor Freight. I got the files and stuff. I did everything right, I believe. Quick update on the Ruckus. I actually fixed my problem. So the reason why the new dry face couldn't go on is because the crankshaft was chewed. So I've been filing for the past, well, last night and today for like a couple hours. Filed it all down, got the new dry face on, the kickstart on, and it sits more in, and it's not even tightened yet. Now I'm not too sure if we'll actually see a higher amount of horsepower than 37, like 50 or 45, because I do have a vacuum leak somewhere that I still have to get diagnosed. But for the most part, the clutch and everything else is situated. And I seen you guys' comments like, "Yo, get a performance clutch." I was talking to Ryan about it beforehand of doing the variator install, and a performance clutch actually made me lose power. Make sure if you have a Ruckus, run 93, okay? I'm running on 87, and that can restrict some power, I'm believing, because the 85 give you power. So I'm guessing if these motors run 93 and you put 87 in there, you won't make power. I'm assuming. But I'm gonna drain the gas out, put 93 in, and then we're gonna rip it and see what happens. But not today, because I gotta go help Robert and Randy on Robert's car. Well, not help, I just entertain, you know. Alright, so it's the next day again, and I got the power tools back from Robert's car. We got it all situated. Now we're gonna tighten up the variator. I'm not even in focus. We're gonna tighten up the variator and throw on our PCV block-off plate, which I have placed. Don't know. Variator's all tightened up. Now right here with the black cap on it, that is the PCV that we're gonna be blocking off. And it looks like two 10mm bolts, and we just replaced it with the one from the Ruck shop. Simple, easy, simple. This is why it's so important to get a kickstand, so you can film if you're becoming a damn moto vlogger, it seems like. But I got the Ruck Shop's custom block-off plate on. I'm doing a very horrible job at filming, but I got 93 in the gas tank now. I did drive it, and it drives good. I can't do a speed test because, well, I dropped my phone in the toilet, so now I have to wait, I think, like a day or two to get another phone, so... No bueno. But I am certain that I am going over 40 miles per hour now. It just feels like I am. The bike is so, like, I don't know, it feels right. You know what I'm saying? I feel like me fixing that crank also fixed a bunch of other stuff, or for some sort of reason, I don't know. But, like, it's good now. So, let's go for a ride. So I finally got around to editing this video, and I realized the GoPro footage of me riding the Ruckus, now that it's dialed in, somehow the footage got corrupted. So I'm just gonna ride it and show you guys on this camera. The GoPro is dead, both batteries are dead for it. So we're gonna ride the Ruckus, and hopefully you guys can see how, I mean, you won't really know how fast it's actually going. So maybe I should hook it up on the tripod and tripod. We're gonna do the tripod. Never mind the tripod idea. I don't want my camera getting stolen. We're just gonna ride, boy. It might bog a little bit because it's not really all that warmed up. But yo. If you did enjoy the video, give me a hell yeah, bro. That like button, that'd be greatly appreciated. By the time this video goes live, I should have my ECU, so expect an Integra video next upload, and then we're gonna get things crack-a-lacking with car content and the Ruckus content. So we got the car content and the Ruckus content coming back and forth. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.